Here she is. He is. Good morning. Good morning. Ooh. Come. He's not on the mood talking.
Gray parrots are highly intelligent animals that require social interaction and a stimulating environment. Sometimes, if I'm free, I love spending lots of time talking and playing with him. His name is Coco. So, I try teaching him to talk or some train or I train him to do some basic tricks. He's a very intelligent and smart. By observing him, like it is so possible to understand the meaning of his attitudes and behaviors. Sometimes, like if I'm with him, like you want to tell me something. So funny. Really, they said if you make the parrot, what do you call this, like paging friendly siya at
Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Mom Shigin. So, welcome guys. I want you to introduce my best friend for 8 years. His name is Cuckoo. Say hello to them. Hello. Good morning. Say good morning. Say I love you. I teach him how to say I love you, good morning, sad, happy, and he know how to count. Come, show them. Huh? Morning. He wants me to scratch his head. He like it. So, he's so friendly. Only me can touch him. Before Maria. Hi to Maria and Arlene. My roommates before. Hmm?
then make sure your parrot enjoys being strong. Parrots enjoy being pet on the head. You know, I always scratch his head and he like it. Scratch gently from the top of its head towards its beak to deepen your relationship with your pet. A deep relationship with your parrot. I like and he like.
Say hello. Count. Let him, let them hear you counting. Yalla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Try teaching your parrot to talk. Stray parrots are among the best known talkers and most famous in easy time. Learning to mimic words. Start with the simple words like hello or good morning. You know, I always teach him good words.
Cool. Come, talk to them. Say good morning. Cool. Good morning. Talk.
But sometimes I teach him bad like fuck you. You know. Pick up, clearly, have patience, and offer tricks and plenty of praise. When it finally does say a words. If I teach him I love you, hi nako, then I play him. I play his head, I scratch his head, I let him step up on my finger, but he bites me. I try to teach him also on how to get on my finger. I want to encourage him to climb on my finger. But I see Kuku have a sign of fear. But I tried to let him, what do you call this, climb on my finger. As I know, this Kuku, he's a fabulous playmate, very lovable and cuddly, and adorable. Sarap niya turuan. He's a fast learner.
Go, come here, come here. Come. Hold. Ooh, you want me to scratch your head? He's scared because he's not used to what do you call this, to come outside. Gusto niya may kapitan siya, kaya pag gusto niya akong kapitan, kinakagat siya yung kamay ko. Say, I love you. I love you.